So, my dear friend, you said that you wanted a son, I gave you a son, and why you are crying? No, he's dead. Don't you know that once you are born, you will die? Either today or tomorrow or 200 years. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter when you die. You will die anyway. So why you are crying? No, he's so, this is not acceptable. So what is acceptable? No, bring my son back. Okay, fine. So Narad Ji with his mystic potency brought his son back. But while bringing his son back to life, back to his body, he gave him also memory of his previous 100 lives. So as the son got back, he is not in this state that he is the son of Chitraketu. He was his first parent, second parent, third parent, and he is going through all those memory. And when he got back, Chitraketu embraced him, my dear son, my dear son. And suddenly, what? No, I am your father. Which number? Right? The story, just to let you know, this is a fact, that the soul has neither birth nor death. Anytime. He has not come into being, does not come into being, will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, ever-existing, and primeval. He is not slain when the body is slain. Krishna is again and again repeating. Krishna is saying the soul can never be cut to pieces by weapon, nor burned by fire, nor moistened by water, nor withered by the wind. You see? This individual soul is unbreakable, insoluble, can be neither burnt nor dried, is everlasting, present everywhere, unchangeable, immovable, eternally the same. कितने बार भगवान रिपीट कर रहे हैं ना। एक बार मैं आईआईटी दिल्ली में था और उस समय आईआईटी मद्रास के जो डायरेक्टर थे प्रोफेसर आनंद, वो भी थे। तो हम एक साथ डाइनिंग रूम में बैठे थे, तो डिस्कशन करते हुए प्रोफेसर डायरेक्टर ऑफ आईआईटी मद्रास कह रहे थे, रिसेंटली ही अटेंडेड वन डिस्कोर्स बाय वन चिन्नास्वामी Jir, some Jir, that is in Sri Lanka, Sri Sampradaya in Tamil Nadu. And there, when he heard, after the discourse was over, he met the Swamiji and said, Swamiji, you gave a nice class, but I was wondering why you were repeating 7 times everything that you were speaking. Because he was director, he was intelligent, he noticed that everything he spoke, he almost in different angles he repeated that 7 times, every point he brought in. Then Swamiji answered him, recently he studied one scientific article that people's concentration level has gone so low that at any time of time if you are speaking to the audience, 1/7 of the audience they are hearing. Right. So he said that I repeated 7 times so that everybody has at least heard once. To ensure that. Okay. So similarly you see, Krishna is speaking the same thing. The soul is eternal. Soul cannot be cut into pieces. Soul cannot be died, cannot be killed. Soul cannot be destroyed. Birth and death are all illusion. Right? Again and again speaking the same thing. It is said that soul is invisible, inconceivable, immutable. Knowing this, you should not grieve for the body. Okay? So,
वहाँ पे पीछे लिखा हुआ था present everywhere. Soul in the previous slide it was written कि soul is present everywhere.
Everywhere. Whether the souls are there in water, souls are there in the air, souls are there in the fire, souls are there everywhere. Sarvagata sthana.
The individual soul.
No, yeah, but you can be only in one place. Don't make yourself God. Souls, so that is why you see in Vedic literature we do not accept the present theory. Only earthly planet we have the living entities. This is absolutely nonsense. Living entities are there everywhere. In sun planets are also there, in Indra's planet, in Brahma's planet, everywhere there. Okay? But if you take the Hubble telescope, which is based on the physical principles of this earthly sphere, and you extend that to other planets, then you will fail. Okay? So, just like we have trees here, trees are also there in this sun planet. We have ocean here, so ocean is also there in the sun planet. We have ponds here, ponds are also there in the sun planet. And to simply imagine sun is a completely, ever-boiling structure, that's so ridiculous. And God will make such a structure for no purpose. It is almost, how many times, I think, I have forgotten some, it is, if you put the sun as a football, then earth is like a mustard seed, something like that. That's how the sun's volume. I said Krishna will create such a structure and there is no purpose for it, simply a boiling thing. This is all, we are trying to again extend our myopic views upon things that we don't see, and we think that whatever I am able to perceive using external senses, that is perfect. It's never perfect. My senses are limited, and using limited senses I cannot understand things that's beyond my capacity. I don't even know who am I. I'm not even able to perceive that I am existing in this body. I think this is a body of chemicals. So ridiculous. Okay? So, yes, souls are there in every planet, everywhere. Within fire also soul is there. You know that how Draupadi was born? From the fire. You must know that Draupadi, when she was born, she was 16-year-old. She didn't burn as a small baby, helplessly. We read Mahabharata and we take it as in a humanly way. It's not. If you look at these Pandava brothers and Draupadi, the caliber that they had, you can't even imagine such people, looking at our own surrounding, we cannot understand those things. You have to seek shelter of divinity to be able to appreciate who were there. Draupadi came from the fire. That's why her name is Jagyaseni. From Yajna, she took birth. Somebody else was. Yes.
Sir, do you think that evil spirits or ghosts exist?
Ghost, yes, sure. Should I tell you the story? Yes. When I was doing my first year of PhD, you see that when I joined my PhD in IIT Delhi, I was a pure vegetarian without onion and garlic. But I had not come in contact with Prabhupada's Bhagavad Gita. I had a Bhagavad Gita that is like only slokas but Oriya translation, because I am from Odisha. So Oriya translation of the Bhagavad Gita verses. So I used to read every chapter every day because my father used to read. So that samskar I had, so I used to read every day. And when I entered into IIT Delhi, I could not enter into the hostel, the mess. So I met the dean, I said, I have a problem. The dean was into yoga. So we had a perfect mess. So we made a plan to start a yoga mess in SAT, Student Activity Center. And dean gave permission that those who can join in yoga mess, they will be given rebate from the mess. Because in IIT Delhi those days, whether you eat or don't eat, you have to pay full money, right? And that's how we started the mess. And after that, after almost a year, I came in contact with ISKCON. One professor from America, he joined IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, and he started holding program Bhagavad Gita in his house. So then I am hooked into it, and since then I am here. Every day, every year, I speak about Bhagavad Gita. But I tell you a story because I had certain image in the campus. So normally people don't come to me very easily. So one of my PhD friend, he was a married person. His parents were living with him, and they were staying in research scholar quarters. So one day he came and confided in me that, sir, I said, no sir, my friend, that my whole family is being disturbed by ghosts. So by that time I'm already knowledgeable that there is ghost, because Krishna speaks about ghost in 10th chapter, 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So immediately when he said, no problem, we will drive them quickly. So you get ready, in the evening I am coming with 2 of my friends. So 3 of us with cymbals playing, we entered his room and loudly we did the kirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. And even I have never actually encountered a ghost. And suddenly I saw his mother, very old and very short height, right? I'm short, right? I'm 5'3" inch. She must be even less than 5 feet. And very old, she danced so furiously, her head was touching the roof, right? And if you look at that, and 2 of my friends who were there with me, they are telling me, let's leave this place. I said, wait. And I increased my voice and I encouraged them. I met